It's your Thursday host here, Chelsea, with the Women's Fishing Network. Today I am fishing with my son Jace. He is out there skipping rocks because he doesn't love fishing, but he loves catching. So the last time I took him out, we caught quite a few brown trout and he had a blast. So I have been hunting for a big brown trout all summer, so hopefully today is the day I hook into him. So wish us luck. Alright guys, so we're just getting the boat here in the water, loading up our stuff, and we're gonna go spend about 6 hours out on the beautiful river here. So we were ready to embark and get our rods all hooked up, and my friend Tyler's rod was just broken and wouldn't work, so he had to go home and get another rod. So wouldn't be a fishing trip with Chelsea if things didn't go wrong. Yeah, I agree. Oh, fish on! Fish on!
You get a big brown, you got your brown.
They got my brown.
Hang on to a plate over there. It's such a nice one. I see him, he's a big fish.
There he is. Check him out.
Oh,
He's
look
beautiful.
That's the brown. Your dad's good?
Yeah.
Your son's gonna net him? Oh,
Isn't that my big brown Jace? Oh, uh-oh. Hold on, I might be tangled in the net. No, my...
so awesome.
Oh!
Okay, well, let's not get hooked.
My luck.
He got on the wrong side of the net, and he got on the left side of the net, and then the hook was in the front side.
That's okay. That was my beautiful brown.
You guys, my mom just lost a brown.
I should get you there. That was a good thing.
That was amazing. And then it works. That was a good feeling getting my lure and stuff.
I love it tonight. Okay, I did it. Oh. Okay, straight out the front of the boat. Get in the boat. Oh, nice one.
Oh, fish on!
Yeah,
Fish on! It feels decent.
oh, I can hear there's swirls going on. Yeah, that is right. What is this one?
Oh,
Oh,
beautiful!
Hey, not
Should Should I come over here? Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I don't want to lose him. Get him in the net. This is it. This is what I've been waiting for. Yay! Hey, you guys go? Wow! Oh my gosh!
You did it! Congratulations!
I just caught my beautiful brown trout. Wow. Look at him. He's unhooked.
Oh, we're on video. Nice.
Oh, there he goes. Yes.
Awesome, AJ's.
Yeah. I'm so happy. This is the best day of my summer.
Right on. I knew I saw the fish there. It was too good.
Oh, a little brown, yeah. You can release some Jace. No, it wasn't.
They come out easy. When they come out easy, then.
These says it's binoculars. Get a pig!
Walleye open their mouth.
Going in now. The end of the trip is here. Spent a successful day on the river. And we're at the bridge where my car is, where we started this morning. That's graffiti.
I don't know.
Some cool graffiti.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that's better. All right, there's a gravel bar. You just gotta hit it this way.
Oh, I see it.
No, no.
Oh, hold on.
All right, here we go. Oh, there's a rock. Oh, yeah, another rock. All right. Steady as she goes.
We made it safe. Well, I am home from that awesome fishing adventure on the Red Deer River with my friend Tyler and son Jace. I finally landed my beautiful brown trout I've been after for most of the summer, and it was pretty special to have my son net the fish for me. And of course, I got an awesome picture. So one thing I'm really excited to announce is the Women's Fishing Network has just launched a brand new website. It's super cool and has some really awesome stuff on there. And one of the cool features is a blog. So us hosts are going to be starting to blog our adventures, and I actually wrote my first ever blog regarding this past trip I just went on. So be sure to check it out. The website is womensfishingnetwork.com. So there's a ton of cool stuff on there. Our other host Amanda has wrote her first blog, and we also have a brand new host that will be starting on Friday, and her name is Nikki. So the team just keeps growing, amazing things keep happening, so be sure to follow along, hit that subscribe button, follow us along on social media. If you want to see some pictures from this last trip, be sure to check them out on my Instagram, Chelsey_Nicole86. Thank you to Rick, that goes to 11 Media. He puts so much work into these awesome segments, so thank you. And thanks to all our sponsors. This wouldn't be possible without your guys' support. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and we will see you next week.